Hi everyone. Let me check your face mask. Gurleen, it's absolutely fine. Very good. Okay, Kamna, beautiful. It's very good. Consistency is very good. नीलिशा ठीक है बेबी आज थोड़ा रोज वाटर डाल लेना.
रोज वाटर डाल रही हूँ.
हाँ, और डाल के ना एक बार स्पून से हिला लो. स्पून से अच्छे से मैश हो जाएगा. फेस ब्रश से ना उतना प्रेशर नहीं लग पाता. लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. सो टुडे इज डे 15 ऑफ माय CTM स्किन चैलेंज and the first step of my CTM is cleansing. Today I am using Inatur Herbal Sandal Face Wash and I have normal to dry skin. So take out your face wash. I have taken out mine. Apply it on your face. Rub the face wash in between your hands like this and now start massaging in upward strokes. Never take your face wash around your eye area or on your eyelid area. Never ever forget your neck, guys. You can take a little bit of water if you can't massage your face wash. So I'm done. Please go and wash your face. I'm also going to wash my face. Take out your toners. I've got my Inatur parcel yesterday. So thanks to Pooja for sending my parcel to me. My girl gang want to say thank you so that I can, deliver their products to them. So start using your toner. I'm using my favorite toner, which is Inatur Aqua Rose Toner. And it smells really divine. Allow your toner to dry on its own. So I'm done with my toner and look at the skin now. Now please, I want all of you to check your own skin. This is the consistency of my mask. Today I have made apple mask. I have taken one apple, cut it into small pieces, then made the paste out of it by putting it in grinder. After that, as you all know that I have normal to dry skin, I have taken 2 teaspoons of wheat flour, which is atta. Then I have added my apple pulp into it. I have taken 1 teaspoon of fresh cream, which is malai. I have mixed all the ingredients together and made a fine paste. So for normal to oily skin, I have again taken my apple, cut it into small pieces, made the paste out of it, and then I have added chickpea flour, which is besan, and I've added 1 teaspoon of curd into it, made a good paste, and the consistency will look something like this. Never ever forget to apply the face mask onto your neck and always use upward strokes. Don't go too close to your under eye area. So why I always say that, let Nilisha explain it to everyone.
दी हमारा जो अंडर आई एरिया और आई एरिया होता है वो बहुत सेंसिटिव होता है और ऑलरेडी ड्राई होता है. तो अगर हम उसको पैक्स लगाएंगे तो वो एरिया और ज्यादा ड्राई हो जाएगा. हमें उसे मॉइस्चराइज रखना होता है और जो पैक्स होते हैं वो हमारी स्किन को ड्राई करते हैं.
Yes, thank you, Nilisha. Thank you so much. So yes, Sumati, you were asking me something, baby. Pucho.
Every day I'm using normal to oily skin face mask, so
Okay.
now my cheeks are a little dry.
What you can do, सुमिति, आप अपने C जोन के लिए अलग पैक बनाया करो और T जोन के लिए अलग बनाया करो. सेम प्रॉब्लम कामना के साथ हो रही थी. तो आज जब सेशन शुरू हो रहा था तो कामना का मैंने वीडियो देखा. कामना ने 2 बोल्स में पैक बनाया हुआ था. So if you have started feeling that your C zone is dry and your T zone is oily, I will always recommend you that make 2 masks for your skin type and then apply it accordingly. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Apple mask has many benefits. Apple has antioxidants into it. It has vitamin C into it and iron into it. Vitamin C helps in producing collagen and elastin into our skin. So our skin will get anti-aging benefits out of this mask. It will also remove dead skin cells from our skin. So we'll be getting soft and supple skin. It will work on your dark spots and it will also remove your suntan. In totality, this apple fruit mask is really amazing for your skin. You should never. So this apple mask is a must for your skin, like the doctors say. eat an apple a day and keep a doctor away. So that's really true. You should always eat apple. So do not forget to apply this apple mask as well onto your skin at least once a week. Guys, अगर आपको 5 to 6 minutes हो गए हैं, so please go and wash your face mask. So you can see my skin. I'm feeling that my skin is really soft and supple today. Take out your moisturizer. I'm using my Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizer. Apply moisturizer in small dots on your full face. Then rub the product in between your hands so that it should be warm enough and it should get penetrated into your skin pretty well. Moisturizer or your facial oils should not remain on the surface of your skin. It should always penetrate into your skin pretty well. Then only you will get benefits out of it. Use upward strokes. Never ever forget your neck. This is my Inatur Collagen Eye Cream. It works on fine lines. It says Fine Lines Filler, 3D Express Lifting and Anti-Aging. So I'm using this product today. I am applying this Collagen Eye Serum on my under eye area in small dots. I hope so that all of you can see it. I have applied these small dots. Can you see? Now I'm applying it on my eyelid area. And then after that, I'll use my dabbing movements. So this is sunscreen from Inatur, SPF 50. You should always apply sunscreen. And because of quarantine period, I was always at my home, so I never applied sunscreen. Although if you are staying indoors, then also you should apply sunscreen. It's a must in your CTM. Sunscreen. This much product is more than enough. Don't take too much of product. Apply it onto your skin. Apply it onto your face in small dots like this. Then rub the product in between your hands like this and start patting. आपका सनस्क्रीन हो, मॉइस्चराइजर हो, प्लीज उसको अच्छे से पेनिट्रेट कराइए अपनी स्किन में. नेवर एवर फॉरगेट योर नेक. You can also use pinching movements. Pinch your skin, pinch it. Do a patting and little kneading strokes. So I'm done. Take out your lip balm. I'm using my Inatur lip balm in lemon today. Always moisturize your lips as well. Do not ignore them. And I'm done. So it's really moisturized. I'm feeling that my skin is really soft and supple today and it's completely hydrated. Now ask me whatever you want to ask.
If you can see at this area below lips and above chin area, from past 2-3 days I am feeling little more dryness and there is a scar left over here, which gives me a burning sensation while applying moisturizer.
Show me what moisturizer you are applying these days.
Body Shop. This one.
No, show me the product. Show me the range.
This is almond milk and honey.
This is a face moisturizer or a body moisturizer?
For sensitive dry skin.
This is a body cream.
Okay.
Yes. So I always say one thing I also told every one of you in my last video. Please don't apply body creams onto your face. They are meant for your body. So apply them only on your body. Don't apply it on your face. So हो सकता है आपको ये rash उस वजह से हो रहा हो. Stop using that and you can use Clinique or any face moisturizer.
I just want to ask you that you shown that dupe for you 2 to 3 days before. Have you used that and how's the result?
It's good.
It's good. And this is for how much? And are you having that product or we have to buy it?
I have told my distributor to arrange it for all of you. So he is telling me that it will take 2 to 3 days, Shikha, and then he will deliver at my place. And that is for 1,000.
One thing, like after my post delivery, I got freckles on my face, as you can see, the small freckles, and they are getting more brighter because I'm applying face mask regularly. My skin is getting, more bright. These freckles are also more visible. Anything for freckles on the face, nose area, chin?
No, nothing works. Nothing works. Whenever now you are stepping outside, I will say you that please do not forget your sunscreen.
That I do regularly.
इससे लाइट तो नहीं होंगे but और ज़्यादा बढ़ेंगे नहीं, you know. That's it.
Okay.
You can't reduce freckles. That's the hard reality.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
मैं जैसे जैसे दिन पास आ रहे हैं मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है because definitely I'm gonna miss you and miss all girls. एक साथ में करने का एक अलग feel है, तो I'll miss that for sure.
Yeah, even I'll miss that. But जो एक चीज शुरू करो उसको खत्म तो करना ही है. You know, if you start anything,
Exactly.
come to end. So let's see इसके बाद क्या करना है.
Well, I'm loving this pack. So fresh, and I'm feeling really glowing actually. I'm actually glowing.
Yes, you are.
Yeah.
I can see that.
And one more thing, I really want that you should do that bleach session if possible.
Okay. So
And
I can.
as I missed your scrub session also, and yesterday I bought these products from you. So I really want to do that scrub session also. So when can we do that?
Maybe day after tomorrow. Let's do bleach and let's do tomorrow scrub. Or maybe I'll give you the schedule like when we can do scrub and when we can do bleach on your WhatsApp message.
Is there different sunscreen for normal to oily skin and for normal to dry skin?
Yes. There are different sunscreen for different skin types. You need to check it before you purchase it. I have used this particular sunscreen, which is SPF 50, water resistant, and it is not at all sticky. So if you want, you can use this particular sunscreen as well if you have normal to oily skin. It will be fine.
Ma'am, suggest me a scrub also. Like you will be taking a scrub session very soon.
Yes.
So please suggest scrubs also then.
Okay. So use what skin type do you have, Anuka? Okay.
Normal to dry.
You can use strawberry scrub. Don't use apricot scrub for your face. Try and use strawberry or raspberry or pomegranate gel scrub or pomegranate cream scrub, whatever. I and Tani have the same thing. Same scrub.
Okay, this is from Inatur, right?
Yes, this is from Inatur. It is strawberry scrub and it is a cream-based cleanser. It has written that is cream-based cleanser, softens and tones, dermatologically tested. This is good for normal to dry skin. I have tried it and I have shown this particular product in my video as well on day 2nd. For oily skin, try and use gel scrub. So this is pomegranate scrub. It deep clean, hydrate and skin renewal scrub. And it is for normal and combination skin. You can use this particular scrub from the brand called Inatur. So आप सब I hope so body scrub भी करते हैं. So don't forget your body, don't forget your arms, your elbows. Always do scrub on your body as well. I prefer this particular scrub for my body since 15 years. This is Freeman Pomegranate Body Sugar Scrub and it's really nice. So Nilisha is using a scrub which is for the body that is from a brand called Kinan. She has taken it from me, right Nilisha? Do you love this particular product?
I love this product. I use it once in a week और इसका quantity इतना कम लगता है मतलब कि मैं इसको 10 times use कर चुकी and see the bottle.
Yeah. So bye. Take care. See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Dee.
We have completed our day 15 of 21 day CTM Skin Challenge. I hope so you have liked this video. So do not forget to give me a thumbs up. Do not forget to press the like button. Subscribe to my channel so in future whenever I am uploading any video, you should be always notified. For that notification, again, you have to press the bell icon. You can't forget that. Last but not the least, if you have any query in your mind, always write in the comment section and I will go there and I will answer your query. So bye, take care, have a nice day.